see about the construction feature of center lathe. Okay. So it consists of 4 main parts. One is, this is headstock, and opposite side is tailstock, bed, then this is carriage. These are the 4 main parts of a lathe. So headstock, it covers spindle, which is being connected from a motor. Okay, so by using either gear or belt drive. So opposite side is tailstock. It supports the lengthy workpiece. That is tailstock. But bed is, it supports the whole machinery. Okay. Next one is carriage. Carriage, it supports the tool. Okay, which tool can be placed in the carriage. It can be moved either manually or automatic, semi-automatic. Okay. So here the spindle is being, chuck is being connected with the spindle. Okay. Where the work can be folded by a chuck. The chuck can be called as work folding devices. Chuck. So where you can fold the workpiece. Okay. So chuck, there are 2 types of chuck. One is 3 types of chucks. One is 4-jaw chuck, 3-jaw chuck, magnet chuck. Okay. So 3-jaw, jaw is nothing but which holds the workpiece. So that 3-jaw you can fix the workpiece as it is. 4-jaw you have to adjust the each jaw, it can be adjusted. Magnet chuck, where you can hold the workpiece using the magnetic force. Okay. The tool can be placed in the carriage. That is called tool post. So where you fix the tool, and tool is single point cutting tool is being used in the tool post. Okay. So next one is, next important part is lead screw. So lead screw is nothing but you want to make a thread cutting operation. So thread cutting operation, if you see the bolt nuts, there you can see the thread cutting. Okay. So the lead screw is supposed to make the thread cutting operation. So in the term of tumbler gear mechanism, the tool and the thread cutting operation can be made using the tumbler gear mechanism. So which in support of lead screw. So next one is cross line. Cross legs means we can adjust the movement of the tool post. Okay, so these are the main construction features of the center lathe. Okay, which covers first main part is headstock. So where the power transaction from the motor is converted to the headstock. So this consists of gears, spindles. So where that can be connected either using the belt drive or gear. Next one is tailstock. It's opposite to the headstock. So where it supports that lengthy workpiece in this electrical job, or it can be used for drilling operation. Next one is bed, which supports the whole lathe, and carriage, which holds the workpiece, not workpiece, it's tool. So tool post and cross line is being placed on the carriage. Next is feed rod, where you can give the feed. Next one is lead screw, which supports for thread cutting operations. So next one is feed change gearbox, where you can change the feed which is being given to the workpiece. So lathe specifications, these are the main specifications of lathe. First one is distance between centers. Distance between centers means, so you have 2 centers. One is line center, which is in the headstock. This spindle center, and next one is deadstock, which is the center of the tailstock. So distance between centers, which covers maximum length of jaw that can be turned. So it covers the length of the jaw. So next one is swing over bed, maximum diameter of the jaw that can be turned. So try to remember. The distance between centers is length of the jaw. The swing over the bed is maximum diameter of the jaw. So next one is swing over the cross line, which covers maximum diameter of the jaw that can be turned with the jaw across the cross lines. So cross lines is to give the phasing turning operation. Turning can be done using the cross line. Next one is horsepower of the motor. The power which is being given to the motor. So in terms of HP. Next one is number of speeds. So number of speeds is normally can be used for threading operations. This can be changed by using the gear. Okay. So next one is number of feet. Also this can be used by using the feet drum. So these are the main specifications of the lathe. So where the point B refers the length of the right center to dead center. So A refers to the length of the cross line. So D is the phasing can be done using the D part. That is radius of one of the spin. A is the spin. Okay. So D is distance between the centers. These right centers to the dead centers. So C refers the overall length of the bed. Okay. C refers the length of the bed. So accessories, the lathe accessories are divided into two categories. One is work holding, supporting and driving devices. So which that goes with the lathe centers, chucks, face plates, which holds the workpiece. That's why it is called as a work holding devices. Mandrels, steady and follower wrist, lathe dogs and drive plates. These are all the work holding devices which holds the workpiece against the tool. So next one is cutting tool holding devices, which holds the cutting tool, stationary part. So the work holding devices supports the moving part. Here the cutting tool holding devices, which is support the tool, which is the stationary part. This consists of straight and offset tool holders, threading tool holders, boring bars, and turret type tool posts. These are all the tool holding devices. So these are the centers of the lathe. So which is connected or which is implemented with the spindle part. Operations. So what are the operations can be done using the lathe machine? Is first and foremost thing is turning. So I already mentioned turning, which reduces the diameter of the workpiece. Okay, so put a straight conical curved or grooved workpieces. So normally it should be cylindrical in shape. So where you can do the reduce the diameter of the workpiece, and facing which reduces the length of the workpiece. So produce a flat surface at the end of the part or for making face grooves. So where you can glue the face part. So that's why it is called as a face. Okay. So the cross part of the workpiece. Next one is boring, where you can put the hole in a workpiece. So to enlarge the hole, already drilled part where you can enlarge the hole, the boring can be used. After the drilling operation, the boring can be done. Next one is drilling. So drilling is mere making of hole by fixing a drill in a tailstock. Okay, so the drill bit can be fixed in the tailstock. That is the dead center. So next one is threading. Threading is nothing but threading operations. So where you can do the internal thread as well as the external threading operations. So for nut and bolt, the threading can be done. So now next one is knurling operation. So knurling operation, so which gives the roughness of the cylindrical surface. So where if you want to give the gripping of an object, the knurling operations can be used. See the construction of the various lathe operations. First one is straight turning. So where you can reduce the diameter. So next one is taper turning. Where if you want to give the angular turning, the taper turning operations can be used. Next is profiling. Profiling is the bar-like features. For wood cutting operations, these profiling operations is helpful. So next is turning or external grooving. So turning, after that the grooving can be done. So next is phasing, which reduces the length, and the phase grooving means you have to glue the grooving in the phase one. Okay. So next is cutting with the farm tool. So farm tool cutting means multi grooving operations. So cutting with the farm tool. The boring and internal grooving is where you can drilling, after the drilling and the enlarging of hole, the boring and internal grooving can be done. Drilling is mere putting a hole on a workpiece. Next is cutting off. Cutting off here, cutting the cylindrical job. Okay, so it is threading operation. That is threading. So where you can give the helical groove in the job. So last one is knurling, where you can making the gripping options in the workpiece. Okay, thank you.